Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is May 6th, 2026, man. Back at it again with another trade recap. Today was honestly such an easy day. Only reason why I say this because the draw was very obvious. Um, and the narrative was very obvious, as you could tell. Obviously, pre-market, Asia and London, we just pushed up by like 300, almost 400 points, I think, or I think almost 500 actually, because we pumped up from 243 all the way to 634. Okay, so about 400 points that we pushed up, right? And then during after London opened, well, actually during London, we ended up displacing lower after pushing all the way up high. So we just came to rebalance this whole movement that we had, this whole displacement candles that we had. So we just came to rebalance them, right? So draw was very obvious. I go down into the 5 minute. We have a bunch of LRL. We have this 5 minute high right here. Go down to the 1 minute. We have these all this LRL right here, and once market open, we had this SMT that was formed. So once we had this SMT that was formed, after that, everything else was very obvious. We had SMT with this low right here. Um, Not only that, but we also had all this LRL, and market was just displacing higher, so I knew our bias was bullish. Um, Point is, I ended up taking the trade. I actually took it on this candle right here. I took it on this candle on a fresh new EVA that I just got. And ended up smacking TP for. Let me see if I can pull it up for you guys real quick. For 981. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. But that's on Trade C. Like on my refresh. And I was smacking TP for 981. But the way I was looking at this chart was I was waiting for these candles. So kind of like the first 5 minutes to just kind of manipulate, do whatever it want to do, deal its hand and all that. And I was waiting for some type of manipulation move. So once we had this manipulation move right here and created a SMT with this low right here, and we ended up disrespecting this displacement candle because obviously if we were obviously bearish, market should have delivered lower from here because this is a displacement candle disrespecting this bullish displacement candle, but we did not end up displacing lower. So once we disrespected this candle, I was waiting for this candle to close. Once I seen this candle close, the third one right here, after disrespecting this bearish Sibi, we I ended up taking the trade right here and just smacking TP. I was gonna target these highs right here, but I didn't want to be greedy. I'm already taking 51 points on the charts. Um, and that was pretty much it. It was a super simple trade. Nothing too crazy. Smack TP in like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. But that was pretty much it, man. Super simple trade of the day. Um, Super excited for this price action. Definitely no complaints about it so far. Just need to focus on perfecting myself and just my discipline to be able to exceed in different levels in this era. But hey, other than that, man, that's pretty much it for the trade recap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.